welcome back to my channel. I am making now a slime. I have glue, activator and some water. First I am putting in glue. That's it. And I'm just putting little bit activator of water, little bit, just let's mix it. Now we have to put some activator. Let's see it's just a little bit. We have to do it so sticky, I think so. Put more. Just mix it. We have to put more water. It's so many. Let's put some glue. That's it. Now I can mix it now. Now some activator. So like the slime is ready. I will meet you in the next video. Bye.